Yeah, I'm coming for the green buck. Gleamed up, hitting it. Be equivalent to Bosh and Wade and LeBron when they teamed up. Bash brothers, tidy up, tidy up. Going for the puck, face off. I'm a mighty duck. Light it up, never miss class, one target. Camardi in the zone, going for the Lombardi. I'm sorry, I don't mean to mess with you. Music City Miracle, I'm doing it with Jeff Fisher. Get bitter, heavy word wanna swallow me. Add Evalonia, boom, follow me.
对，都可以写故事的，你。对对对。
Whoever gave me advice and whoever picked me up when I was empty. Timothy, Frederick, Harry, and MD. I'm just an MC going through the motions, devoting every single minute to emotions. Roller coasting, backflipping, hopeless, weighing every table in the room. No tips, the room gets too small. Sob story, but when it's crunch time, I'm turning into Robert Ory. Find your glory in an obvious spot. I'ma get it, like it or not. Watch, I might die while I'm eating on the meal, or get drunk and fall asleep behind the wheel. Nah, man, I'm on my own time. Destiny, I control mine. So your cosign's not needed. Feeling how it is, and honestly, I'm not reading. In 2 cents, you can keep it. And if you let it out, I'ma treat it like nothing. And never read it, beat it. Good riddance, say bye-bye. I'm hot, I'm a highlight. Night, night, motherfucker, I'm gone. I need a good night, sit me up. Wake up, it's too easy. Turkey carver, it's the headache room. Ask Percy Hall, beg your pardon. Bush kill the Android. We incredible, what? Android, sign boys to the death of it. Man, I'm staying with my team. I'm even taking less money. Only half done, probably gotta run it back. All hail for the beast, my other half. Turn the lights down, turn the mic up. You're a step down, I'm a flight up. And I'll be on my job till my time's up. I don't have to rest, I can do this with my eyes shut. You want hate, there's a list, you can sign up. Sign boys about to lead a beat all fried up. And these beat, we gon' rip it till it's over. Stand up, guys, better sit them in the sofa. Oh, it's the closer, I'm out of the bullpen. I ain't Derrick Rose, but I'm on my bullshit. You dudes really got some nerve to claim best in the bird. You really must be on that good shit. That wishing that you could shit, wishing that you could spit. I'm wishing that you would quit, wishing that I would trip. And I would flip, but that's just senseless. Hip hop's like a party, you are not on the guest list. I'll leave them breathless, you gon' pass out gasping. Headache flow. Somebody ought to pass out aspirin. I step into the cipher, I'm the last one rapping. Got the game choked up in a tap out fashion. So maybe I should pass out passion. Since everybody lacks it, they more like a fraction of a faction. Couple haters wanna lash out at them, but fuck them, I hit the bank and I cash out laughing. Look, there's no telling what I'll do to them. You versus me is like Daisy Duke versus Duke Nukem. Now they tell me that I'm too gruesome. I ain't on the vine, dog, I ain't probably in the mood puking. Is you stupid? Probably, it must be. Trust me, what we're doing here is a must see. But they don't wanna give me a chance, they'd rather listen to the radio and give me a dance. How many changes is rap gonna go through before we finally reach the peak we're supposed to? That fake shit's too vocal. Y'all should probably shut the fuck up and let the real be the vocal. And the whole truth is, Smith is the exact change that they've been looking for. So booth, I don't know what they told you. They must have been dead this phone without the DJ and had no clue. And though I'm local, I plan on being global. And when I get there, I'ma tell you that I told you. Why you laying television mode you? I'll be on it out with a snow cone and no shoes. Cause now I'm the go-to, I do it for the vocal. Told me what I won't do my whole youth. Now I'm chillin' doing everything they don't do, can't do. You ain't here now, I don't know you. Nah, I don't know you, nope, I don't need you. Suddenly you're hungry? Nah, I won't feed you. This the last time I give them bars to compete to. As far as I'm concerned right now, there's no equal. Nah, I don't see you, ain't a single eye closed. Great minds think alike, but creative minds don't. They wanna sleep, but they can't no more. everybody's wake up call. Inception.